In meascan tochtdurn ag báir an AFLW ha éirnig imirt le seachtdurn an aireochtlo an raimach modern gmórt sa mouta cahar, má darmach donnacha a Montráilteachta.
Níor búla Melbourne fós, bhí bua éascach ar hátarn le 5 pointe agus na difriúcha meccan lárnach.
What an impact the Irish women are having on season 8 of AFLW.
Breaking off.
Yes. McDonough to Fleming. She's been superb. Fires out the handball. Here's a chance for Mackin. On her left, the debutante from Ireland. Oh, the worst possible bounce. And able to finish it off. Great team effort from the D's.
Sisterly love, Kel.
It certainly was. And it'll be Anya McDonough that takes it. Wheels around on her left. The Irishman at one end and the Irish woman at the other. They're everywhere out there at the moment.
There's more of us here than there is at home. Mum, Dad and our older sister is the only ones left in the house. So yeah, it's nice to have a strong support out here, especially for Yummy's first game. It's just so nice.
Bhí búmar mítracha Adelaide ar Greater Western Sydney. An dara scóras ir de riomh a hamsús a górtas seo, bua 69 pointe acha, bhí Yvonne Bonner and Niamh Kelly a scóráil.
In the meantime, the Crows go forward and kick the goal. Lovely finish. Charlton to Kelly. Dangerous will go with the outside of the boots. And she gets it. Adelaide's highest ever AFLW score as Kelly kicks the goal. And they run out big 69-point winners over the GWS Giants.
Bhí Geelong Cats roll out with the Port Adelaide. For Rachel Cairns Muyo, Camden 8 húil deog a damplisú.
Very agile for a tall player, Maloney. Kick goes along, Shear in front, Sermon lurking, the dancing feet, and that's really clever footy. And another Irish woman has set sail, and she's on the board too. Morrison will have footy in hand as the siren sounds on this round 4 action at Alberton Oval. But it was Geelong comfortable in the end by 28 points.
Bhí trío búil an chaser ag Essendon nor bhúil siad Fremantle.
Now we'll look to hit a target inside 50, heads into the pocket with tyres separation.
Bhí Anya Tyres Orla Lally, Harbord on the Dockers. Ach ar deire, bua 50 pointe ag na Bombers, agus cool ag Joanne Doonan of Fermanagh.
Joanne Doonan, 10 disposals today, her first game of season 2023. To put icing on the cake for Essendon here at Windy Hill. And she's got it. Essendon take down Fremantle, notch their 3rd win of 2023.
Bhí bua ar éigean, Buaicphointí, ag na Gold Coast Suns ar na Western Bulldogs. Dámse an Conalach, Niamh McLaughlin, cool from the Suns.
Niamh McLaughlin has been a terrific pickup for the Suns. Hasn't kicked a goal in her AFLW career, but now she has. She's got her first. And the Suns survive an almighty scare.
Tá tríchla fa buaites Canamán Cáiltearnis ag North Melbourne Kangaroos as Brisbane Lions. Agus ní le chá orn Melbourne Demons agus Adelaide Crows nár búla fós an chaser seo. Tá Essendon Bombers go te suas go dtíon 8 bhór an uachtarach breis sé dríú bua as ceiricla fa le bua 50 pointe ar Fremantle. Ní réon fointe gnóthú fós ag na Western Bulldogs, na GWS Giants ná na West Coast Eagles.